Here today at FESPA, we are bringing a bit of everything of what we show and showcase in our experience center as well. So we have the laser cutters at the back, we have our roll cutters, but of course, most importantly, we have our flatbed machines here. We can see it in an automated setup today, but of course, our flatbeds never lose their flexibility, as in still being able to cut any other material rather than just the automated materials that we are providing here.
So you've been an approved partner with Brett Martin for a while now?
Yes, correct.
Why is it so important to have an approved partner such as Brett Martin?
I think for us as well, it proves that we are able and that we can cut the materials to the industry standards. It guarantees that whenever our customers are using the Brett Martin materials, they will be able to process them and create their materials, their jobs with them as they should.
Sure. So what sort of properties is it you're looking for whenever you're cutting? You know, you're looking for a material that has certain features. What are those features? What makes a good material?
Consistency, always having a material that is consistent in its properties. No cracking. For example, when we are cutting, knife cutting here, are the foam PVC materials. Important that we have a stable cut, that we are not having any cracking. For milling, if we have the thicker materials, that we can go at decent speeds. We always have the same response from the material, no matter when we have it available.
Okay, and what about this machine that we're working on at the moment? Tell me a little bit about that.
So this is our F1612. It's the smallest flatbed machine that we have in our range. With our extension here, so that's really nice. If the job is done, for example, it can move the sheet forward, a new sheet can be loaded, and while you're picking off, the machine is already cutting again, so you're not losing any time there. With the full setup that we have, we can actually load boards as well with our board feeder to bring that to a more automated flow, even picking with our robotic arm. And again, fully automated, but still keeping the full flexibility. We have the spindle if you want to do rigid materials. We have all the 3 positions available. Any other cutting tool that we have available can still be used on this machine.
So you've probably been quite busy, I would imagine, this morning, seeing lots of customers.
Correct.
Is there any particular themes or questions that people seem to be asking you? Sustainability seems to be a big theme that's running through the show. Yep. Is that something that you guys are thinking about and working within your machines?
Yeah, of course. It's always looking at that optimization here as well. We're going more to the paper-based material that with the automation that we're looking for the folding carton materials. A little bit more into packaging with the solution that we are working with here today. But I think as anywhere, it is a topic that comes up quite often.
Yeah, of course. So this material that you're cutting at the moment, this is our new Foamalux Light Bio product. Comes with 20% reduced carbon footprint. So something that's massively important for the industry is that sustainability side. So in terms of this material, you know, why did you choose this to showcase today?
Again, we are 100% sure that we will get good results, that we get a good product, stable cuts, always the same quality, always the same results. And that's for us very important, of course, on an exhibition, that we can make sure that we always have good samples, good quality cuts, most important for us.
And it's an important question at every exhibition. How are the feet holding up so far? Are they sore? Are you still in there? How's it going?
I can't complain. I've only been here since yesterday, so my colleagues were here already a little bit earlier, so not too bad.
You're holding up okay. You're holding up okay.
So far, yeah.
Brilliant, Bart. Thank you so much for your time. Great to be at the Summa stand. We're in Hall A, Hall B1.
B1.
Hall B1.
C10.
So Hall B1, C10. If you want to come and see the Summa setup, have a look at some of the machines, talk to Bart and some of the other guys. Thank you very much. Tune in for more. Bart, thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you later.
My pleasure.